Hello, book leaguers, teachers, parents, and caregivers. For my next book, I'm going to read another Elephant and Piggie book. This one I really like because Gerald is an exceptionally loud sneezer, and I am too. My family, specifically my wife and my kids, hate my loud sneezing, but it's not something I can control. I am just a loud sneezer, so I feel Gerald's pain here. Without further ado, I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Let's go.
Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want
Yes?
a
A what?
uh
A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze?
Huh?
Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late.
choo!
Goodbye.
Gerald,
Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold!
good for you. Don't you think you sneeze a little too loudly?
I'm sorry, Piggy. This is how I was made. I am just a loud sneezer. There's nothing I can do about it.
Yes, there is. You goof.
Ha ha!